Dear children, good morning. In our last class, we have discussed the reaction of metals and non-metals with the water. Okay. Today, we can discuss the reaction of metals and non-metals with the acids and bases. Let us watch the video.
Take 4 test tube. The first test tube we have to mark as A, next B, C, D. In first test tube you have to add zinc granules and B, iron. In the C we have to add charcoal and in D we have to add sulfur powder. And we have to close the test tube with the core and fit a thistle funnel. And through the thistle funnel add 5 ml of dilute hydrochloric acid in each test tube. Now we can see that a gas is coming from test tube A and B. Now please watch test tube C and D. Do you see any gas from there? No. Only from A and B we can see a gas is coming. Now we have to place a burning matchstick near the gas. You can see that the gas is burning. But there is no change in test tube C and D. What we have to conclude from this activity? In test tube A, we have already taken zinc and in B, it is iron. Both are metals. But in C and D, they are non-metals. That means metals react with the acid and they produce a gas. That gas is hydrogen. That gas burns with a pop sound.
What did you understand from this video? Metals like magnesium and zinc react with the hydrochloric acid and they produce a gas, that is hydrogen. At the same time, nonmetals will not react with the acid and they do not produce any gas. Here we already discussed that metals react with acid and they produce hydrogen gas. But the reaction of metals with acid vary from one metal to another. Some metals they will not react with the acid and they will not produce hydrogen.
Here we have to take a beaker half filled water and we have to add 2 or 3 pellets of sodium hydroxide and stir it well and we got sodium hydroxide solution. Now we have to add this sodium hydroxide solution in 4 test tube and after we have to close it with a core and fit a thistle funnel. Mark this one as A, B, C and D. Now we can add zinc granules in A, iron in B, charcoal in C and sulfur in D. Here also we can see that a gas is coming from A and B. In A, zinc granules and B, iron, both are metals. But C and D, we have already taken charcoal and sulfur, they are non-metal. Now bring a matchstick burning matchstick near the test tube. We can see that near A and B the gas is burning, but there is no change in test tube C and D.
Video we can understand that metals will react with the base, and here also metals will produce hydrogen gas. At the same time, non-metals do not react with the bases. Okay, I think this topic is clear for you. Please read the textbook page number 49 and 50. Thank you.